Look at his hand. Oh my, oh my. Hello, good afternoon. Ayan, nandito na naman tayo ngayon. Today is what? January 16. Ay malakas na naman ang snow. Doble lang tayo para naka-snow pants tayo ngayon, guys. So ito yung ikatlo. I think ikatlo na ata to, ikaapat na mag-snow, guys. Tingnan nyo. So ngayon, gagamitin natin yung snow blower natin. Ngayon pa lang. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, dami. Mukhang mag-snow ata hanggang mamayang gabi. So kukunin natin yung kapal ng snow. Tataas pa yan pagka mamaya, kasi hanggang mamayang gabi ito. So ngayon kailangan natin gamitin yung snow blower natin. Alright. So gagawin natin, dali na lang natin doon yung mga snow. Kasi so I guess umpisahan natin doon. Halika, let's go. Warm up muna natin ng konti. Alright, pwede na. Alright, mag-shovel muna tayo, guys. Dahil yung mga tight corners na hindi makukuha ng snow thrower natin. So, kagaya ng mga gilid-gilid. Dito naman. Alright. Ay, ano natin yun? Yan guys. Alright, tapos na tayo dito. Yung ano lang naman, walkway. Yun lang naman ang mahalaga. Oh shoot. Sa harapan, mag-shovel na lang tayo. Kasi nandun yung mga sasakyan. Kailangan kasi tanggalin yung sasakyan pagka mag-snowblower tayo. At saka hindi pa gaano kakapalan. Ay. So kagaya nito ay pwede kong i-shovel na lang muna. Pag yung madami doon ko na siya dito kasi nung last over a few days hindi ako nagano dito kasi mas priority ko si dito sa harapan na maglinis. Ay, buhay, Canada. Isa pang tinatrabaho tong snow. Alright, lipat tayo dun. Hello.
Hello.
Dito naman tayo sa kabila.
Hello.
Ay na. Nandito na guys, yung naglilinis ng sidewalk. Ayan guys, malayo pa siya. Oh, there you go. Lalagyan na rin ng salt at the same time. Yung nasa likod niya ay salt. Alright, ito na lang ang lilinisin natin. Alright guys, maglalagay lang tayo ng salt. Yeah. It's nice, isn't it? So how clean it is. Yeah. Nice job. Marcos, nice job, right? Yeah. See, yesterday just a few days ago we just shoveled.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do shovel again. Oh, look at this guy. He's not even wearing boots. Wow, summer.
Good,
Huh?
good.
He's wearing chinelas.
Summer.
What do you call this one? How do you say this one in Brazil?
Brazil.
How do you say it?
Uh,
How do you say?
Never.
Huh?
It is.
Yeah.
No, Walmart in Brazil. It is. This no.
How do you say? How do you say in this?
Walmart.
No. How do you say it? What do you call? What do you call?
One moment, please. So,
Ito kasi kapitbahay natin hindi garon marunong magsalita ng English. So how's work?
yeah.
Huh?
Salt. Salt green. Green. All white.
This one?
Salt green.
It's salt.
Green.
Salt.
White. Salt.
Yeah, it's the white one. I'll use white one only here.
It's green. Salt.
Yeah, I'll use the green one on the cement. But on the asphalt, because if you use the regular one,
It's different.
yeah, because it's gonna eat the cement.
Oh, it is stronger.
The green is stronger, yeah, but it doesn't damage. But this white one, it's gonna damage the cement. Yeah. How do you say cement in Brazil?
Cement.
Cement?
Yeah. Cement.
In Spanish?
Cimento.
Huh?
Cimento.
Cemento.
Cimento.
Yeah.
Asfalto.
Asfalto. Yeah, this one is asfalto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Similar.
Yeah. Similar, yeah.
Similar.
Yeah, we say the same thing too. We say asfalto.
Yeah. That's all.
Yeah.
All right. It's good, man.
Huh?
No cold.
Oh, not bad today. It's -5. Yeah, it's not bad. You know, it was snowing earlier. Right now, it's I don't know. It says it's gonna snow until like later, but it's already stopped. Yeah. You don't feel your feet are okay? You don't get cold? Oh man, they say I'm wearing boots.
No cold. Good.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Marcos, say something.
Hi.
Marcos is my neighbor.
Marcos is from Brazil.
Yeah, from Brazil. Yeah, number one.
Hot Brazil.
Yeah.
Summer. Brazil. In January.
Oh yeah, it's summer there. Well, there's no winter there. It's always summer, right? Yeah. There you go. There you go. So now we just finished. Tapos na tayo guys sa paglagay yung salt. Yeah, so we're done. What's that?
Did you buy the machine?
Oh, so no shovel today.
No.
Yeah, not bad.
No, no.
I thought it's gonna keep. I thought it's gonna keep snowing until later, but it's gonna stop already.
I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I don't want no more snow.
No, me too.
Yeah,
Look at this.
I don't like snow. It's just look nice, but I just hate it.
We got the snow at Hamburg BK.
Yeah.
Both.
Oh.
This is
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So are you gonna walk around with Milo?
With my
Milo is Koyachi.
Milo.
Big Koyachi.
Yeah,
Milo is very friendly.
he's a big.
Big.
You don't have to spare.
Oh,
Big Koyachi. Koyachi.
okay.
Milo, say hi to the guys.
Yesterday.
Bye, Milo.
Milo, come sit. Come
Hey, look at that. Oh man, I'm scared. I don't want him to come
Go,
here.
go, go.
Oh, German Shepherd. You know, sometimes I'm not really.
Milo.
Yeah, yeah. See, look at that. He knows. He knows.
Milo.
Yeah.
hi, Milo.
Milo, I drink Milo.
Come on, Milo.
Yeah.
Come
You
on.
want some Milo? Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Don't want to make him angry. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Her dog is very aggressive. Very aggressive. You know?
Yeah.
That dog is very aggressive. Yeah. I don't trust him.
Yeah.
Look at that. He killed that tree. See that tree over there?
Yeah.
It's dead already. Like he likes biting it. Milo killed it.
Yeah?
Yeah. No, they
Oh my God.
he did.
Crazy.
Yeah. Oh, that dog is aggressive. It's a German Shepherd. Too. It's a guard dog.
Yeah.
He's big.
Big dog.
Yeah. Probably if he knows you, he's friendly. Yeah, but he's not. He's friendly, but no.
It's cold in here. I go around.
You going now?
Yeah.
Okay, Marcus. Yeah,
Yeah.
because you don't have
Sarah. Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh, look at his hand! Oh my! Oh my! Holy shit! Are they still okay? Oh man! I thought maybe it came off. No?
No,
Shoot!
no broken.
Holy! No broke.
broke.
He said no broke. Hindi daw.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ayan na ngayon guys yung nilagyan natin ng salt. Works really well. Ayan. Oop. Ayan. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Until next time, I'll see you guys back again. Dito rin sa channel na ito. Kawawa naman yung ride natin. Nakakulong na. Sara na natin guys. Okay.